Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Now you all are busy in your studies, right? But tell me, are you all doing your homework? Yes? Very good. So let's begin with today's session. Today we are going to do chapter 4, that is My Bicycle. This is a poem. Students, look at the maze carefully. And you have to help the yellow car reach home. Try not to touch the other cars while finding the way. So, look at the maze carefully and select the way. Which way will you select? Yes, this one. Correct. The big idea of this poem is look around and observe the things around you on the street. So what do you see when you are on the street? You see the surroundings differently. So, it is about a child's bicycle. It is a fun activity which you all like to do. So, let us read this poem about a child's bicycle. I have a bicycle. I pedal and ride. The bell goes tinkle tinkle and all move aside. So let's have a look. What does it mean? I have a bicycle. So in this line, here I is the speaker who is a girl. So the speaker says that she has a bicycle. And when she pedals, which means when she pushes the pedals with her feet to make the bicycle move forward to ride it, she then rings the bell of the bicycle, which produces a sound, tinkle tinkle, and everyone who is in front of the bicycle, they move aside. Means after hearing the sound. When the road is narrow, cars, buses turn back. My cycle moves like an arrow and stays on track. It says, when the road is narrow means when the road is thin or when it is small, all the big vehicles like cars, buses, they all turn back. But why they turn back? Because of the narrow road. They cannot move at the same time. So they turn back due to the small road. But the cycle moves like an arrow. It moves straight and stays on the track. The traffic jam frightens the trucks, jeeps and cars. My cycle goes zigzag and takes me very far. So, it means the traffic jam frightens the big vehicles like trucks, jeeps and cars. So, when there is a big traffic jam and when there are vehicles on the small road, so they turn back. Means they have to move backward. That is why they get frightened. But the cycle goes zigzag. Means it makes many short and sharp turns because of being small, and it takes the speaker very far. It jumps over a bump, it ducks under a bush, and if there is a puddle, my cycle goes whoosh. It says that the cycle can easily jump over a bump and it moves down under a bush so that it cannot hit any other object, and if there is a puddle means small pool of water, her cycle goes whoosh. Whoosh is a sound produced when something enters into the water, and it says that when the cycle enters into a pool of water, her cycle goes whoosh. We have completed the poem. In this we have learnt about bicycle, that how it can move easily on road and take short and sharp turns because of being small. Okay, let me tell you one more thing, that as we know that one person can ride cycle at a time, but there are some special bicycles that are designed for two riders. These have two seats and two pedals. These type of bicycles are known as tandem bicycles. Now what you have to do is you read the poem once again on your own so that you can understand better, and soon we will meet in the next session.